Hi students, this is Ms. Halford. I'm going to show you how to log in and navigate through Canvas. So let's get started. First, you're going to click the link that you have been provided. You're going to find a website that looks like this. We're going to go ahead and get started with I'm a student, and if your parent wants to sign up, they can click here. So let's start with I'm a student. Okay, if you see, I've got everything filled in. Make sure to notice that you use all caps for that join code, 84KTKM. It is case sensitive. So I'm going to go ahead and click that I'm not a robot, and let's click Start Learning. All right, so as a new student, you're going to see my home page. We've got my picture with my little welcome bee at the bottom here, okay? We also have a to-do list on the right-hand side. This gives us the announcement as well as the assignment that we have, its points, and its due date. We can also click on the announcement directly right over here on the top. So the announcement is, hello, today you will learn something about me, Ms. Halford, and I will get to learn something about you. I look forward to having you in class. If it's underlined, that means it's a link, so you can click it in Canvas as well. But let's go back to that home page. From our home page, we can actually click on this welcome. This bee will open up our first module. This is our welcome module. First one is the Ms. Halford to tell you all about me. And then the next one is that same little symbol for an assignment called our icebreaker. So we can click on that icebreaker directly and get started. Make sure to read the directions. This one, we're annotating a worksheet. By doing so, we've got the ability to type on the worksheet and then submit it in Canvas. So we'll click that T. This will allow us to answer anywhere we want. So you can fly anywhere in the world. Where are you going? Let's go to Belize. I've been there once, want to go again. All right, you will do this for all of your questions on this worksheet, and when you're finished, you're going to scroll down to where it says Submit Assignment. Yay! We're going to get some confetti and some little butterflies. All right, so one other thing that I'd like you to know is that on the home page, on your to-do, now our assignment is done because we submitted it. Looking forward to having you this year.